Apple just dropped iOS 26 Beta 6, and while we're nearing the September launch, they're still making big moves. 6 brand new ringtones people are obsessing over, reversing that controversial camera swipe change, and polishing those liquid glass visuals. Today I'll show you exactly what's new, why these changes matter, and what it tells us about Apple's strategy. We're now 6 betas deep into iOS 26. At this stage, Apple isn't adding giant headline features. Instead, this is the polish and refine phase, smoothing animations, locking in behaviors, and removing experimental settings that didn't land well. Beta 1 through 3 introduce features, 4 and 5 handle adjustments, and 6 through GM focus on final polish before release. And remember, public beta users usually get these updates within a few days, so you won't be waiting long. Apple doesn't add ringtones very often, but in Beta 6 we get 6 new tones, all variations on the iconic reflection sound. They feel modern, layered, and more dynamic than most of Apple's older tones. Dreamer is already blowing up on social media. People are calling it a bop and saying it's making them turn off silent mode for the first time in years. Fun fact, Reflection debuted with the iPhone X in 2017. This is the first themed set of ringtones Apple's built around one sound. One of the biggest complaints in early iOS 26 betas was the camera app's mode switcher. Apple flipped the swipe direction, breaking muscle memory. In Beta 5, Apple gave us a settings toggle for classic mode, but in Beta 6, that toggle's gone. Apple has fully reverted the camera swipe direction. This is classic Apple. Experiment, test pushback, and if reaction is negative, quietly roll it back. App launches and closings are noticeably snappier in Beta 6. Apple's refined animation timing to feel faster without cutting frames. It's a trick they've used since iOS 7 to make the system feel more responsive. Subtle, but across hundreds of daily interactions, it makes iOS feel lighter and more fluid. Liquid glass is Apple's new design language for iOS 26. Translucent, layered, and dynamic. In Beta 6, color dispersion in transitions is more pronounced, toggles have refined shimmer, and text readability has been boosted. This is Apple showing off modern hardware. These GPU-heavy effects are future-proofing design for newer iPhones. After updating to Beta 6, you're greeted with a new onboarding flow, walking you through liquid glass and icon options. Beta testers report this is the most stable iOS 26 build yet, with fewer crashes and better battery life. So new ringtones, a major camera fix, faster animations, liquid glass polish, and smooth onboarding. All in one beta this close to launch. What do you think? Is this enough to get you hyped for iOS 26? Or are you waiting for the hardware reveal next month? Drop your thoughts below and don't forget to subscribe for the full iOS 26 review coming soon.